Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to rename a menu button in your top menu area. So the first way to do this is to go to Appearance, click on Menus, and your website has three menus. It has a sidebar menu, a footer bottom menu, and a top menu, which is your blog categories in the top area. So if you want to select a menu, click on the right arrow, select the menu you want, and then click on Select. And then this will bring up the items in your top menu, which is your blog categories. To make a change, click on the right arrow beside category. Put in whatever you want to change the menu button to be. Then click on Save Menu. Then let's take a look once the changes are made. And here you see the change from decor to home decor. So let's go back and rename it. Decor. Click on Save Menu. Refresh the page. So the second way to rename your menu button is to go to Posts and Categories. And the reason why we're going to Categories is because in your top menu, it lists your blog categories. Then we can go to Quick Edit. I'm going to change it again to Home Decor. Click on Update Category. Refresh page. And once again, the change has been made. So let's go back to Categories, Quick Edit, change it back. And don't forget to click on Update Category. Then refresh the page. And that's it. Once again, thank you guys for watching.